So for this paper, I wrote about obesity. And how did I feel about this essay that I wrote? I felt pretty confident about this essay because this is something that I have been researching for a long time, and that I have a lot of facts that I know, and that this is something that I'm also extremely passionate about. So it was actually one of the essays that I liked the best because it was something that I was so passionate about and could really talk about. Um, really as a writer, I think I did my responsibilities as a writer. I think I gave a lot of information and about this issue, and then I think I opened some people's eyes to that this is truly an epidemic and that this is something that people struggle with every day. I did not struggle with this assignment. I felt this assignment was more of one of the funner ones, I guess. Not a word, but I really liked it because I got to share my opinion about it and actually write about it, where I've been doing so much research I didn't really ever think about writing about it. I did incorporate some of the strategies, but I also think I did a very simple, like, um, problem solution kind of essay, which I find as a default because that's what I was taught to do, and that some of the arguments that we talked in class, I think I kind of struggled with a little bit because I didn't fully understand it, so I didn't want to write a paper and then it be wrong. So I kind of did what I normally do, as in write the problems and then go to solutions and say the facts and all that stuff. I think the strongest part of my essay was the fact that I knew so much about this epidemic and problem that I put a lot of things into my own words, and that I had to remember that I actually had to find sources that proved this, even though I knew it was right. So that I guess I kind of struggled with a little bit. Once I found the sources, I found it really easy to write this paper. One of my weaknesses, I actually forgot to write a conclusion/solution paragraph. So in my revision, I'm going to do that. I don't know why I didn't. I guess I kind of totally forgot. I think in my middle essay that we did, the second paper, I think I struggled really hard on that one. That one I didn't do as well, and that I have proofreading errors and some of those things, and I thought I did better on this paper than I did the last paper. But I also enjoyed this paper more, so I think it's something that also helped my grade. But I hope you enjoyed my paper.